Hello, how to solve for x and y in this equation? X squared minus y squared is equal to 36, where x and y are member of natural number. Solution. Here we have x squared minus y squared is equal to 36. Now take note of this, that if you have a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b. Then this can be written as s plus y bracket x minus y is equal to 36. Then 36 is a product of 36 multiplied by 1, then 1 multiplied by 36, 9 multiplied by 4, 4 multiplied by 9, and we have 12 multiplied by 3, 3 multiplied by 12, and 18 multiplied by 2, and 2 multiplied by 18. But here we have x plus y, then this is greater than x minus y. So here 36 is greater than 1. Then here 1 is less than 36. This is cancelled. Then 9 is greater than 4. Then 4 is less than 9. 12 is greater than 3. 3 is less than 12. And this is 18 is greater than 2. Then this 2 is less than 18. So therefore we have 4 to be considered. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first case is s plus y is equal to 36. Then x minus y is equal to 1. Then second case, s plus y is equal to 9, and then x minus y is equal to 4. Then third case, x plus y is equal to 12. Then x minus y is equal to 3. And fourth case, x plus y is equal to 18. Then x minus y is equal to 2. Now let's solve this fourth, third, second, and the fourth case simultaneously using elimination methods. From first case, that is x plus y is equal to 36, x minus y is equal to 1. Let's use elimination method by adding the two equations together. Then this, we cancel this. S plus s, this is 2x is equal to 36 plus 1, that is 37. But we are looking for the value of s. Let's divide both sides by 2. This divided by 2. This will cancel this. s is equal to 37 divided by 2. But here, 37 divided by 2 is not a natural number. Therefore, is rejected. Now, let's consider the second case. From second case, we have s plus y is equal to 9. Then s minus y is equal to 4. Let's solve the two simultaneously by adding it together using elimination method. S plus s, this is 2s. This y we cancel this, is equal to 9 plus 4, that is 13. Then divided by 2. Divided by 2, this will cancel this. S is equal to 13 divided by 2. This is not a natural number again, so this is rejected. Now from third case, is s plus y is equal to 12. Then x minus y is equal to 3. Let's solve it together. Then this is 2x is equal to 3 plus 12, that is 15. This will cancel this. We divide it by 2. This divided by 2. This 2, we cancel this 2. S is equal to 15 divided by 2. And this is also not a natural number. This is rejected. Then from fourth case, that is s plus y is equal to 18. S minus y is equal to 2. We can solve this simultaneously using elimination method again. Let's add it together. This will cancel this. S plus s, this is 2x, is equal to 18 plus 2. This is 20 divided by 2 divided by 2. This will cancel this. 2 here 1, 2 here 10. Then s is equal to 10. This is a natural number. Let's solve for y from any of this equation, but I'm going to make use of this equation 1. Then from s plus y equal to 18. Then when s is 10, we have 10 plus y is equal to 18. Y is equal to 18 minus 10. Y is equal to 8. This is also a natural number, and this is a natural number. Therefore, s comma y is equal to 10 comma 8. This is the final answer. We can check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. S square minus y square is equal to 36. Now when s is 10 and 10 square, we have 10 square minus y square, that is 8. 8 square must be equal to 36. So 10 square, this is 100 minus 8 square, 64. must be equal to 36. Therefore, 100 minus 64, this is 36 is equal to 36, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.